Welcome to another episode of Destination Jamaica. Today we have Glenville, basket maker. Glenville, tell us a little bit about yourself and what you do.
Oh, you know, I love art from school. When I go to school, I love art work.
Yeah.
So I really put it on for your time now, and I'm carrying down now, when I'm going to take up the fully. Right now, I'm going to take up the fully now, so I'm that now, I'm just start. I can't use the work first.
Yeah. So when you're a little pitney that, you started?
I started from over. Go 15, 17, 16. You know, we start.
Okay. Okay.
Till this time.
So you fell in love with it and this
Yes, I'm gonna leave it a long time.
So how you got?
I support the family them. I'm not putting nobody else in a while. I support the family right through the years, my brother.
Yeah?
I just think things slope and yes.
So things slope.
I go them off. See the work I say.
Oh, that's impressive.
Yes.
So this basket take care of picking them, send them go to school.
Yes. Then do that to me, I'll go and pick me up.
Yeah.
I didn't have to pay grand.
Well, gone grand. So tell me how you go about making it from scratch. Because we see the beautiful work, but what are the steps in making this?
The first thing you're making it, you have to set it like spider web. Like when you set them like how you see the bottom when I set like this.
Yeah.
Set them out before you start plait them.
Yeah.
Not spider web style like.
What material you use?
Use the training wrist, with the training use like this. Training wrist, they call it wicker.
Wicker?
Well, we used to, you know. They call it training wrist and wicker, two names. This white one, I know to like them, is a touch palm. When you got a tourist place, the man say, look how should they make up it and touch palm.
Yeah.
I start like me with.
Touch.
Touch palm.
Okay.
And these are wicker.
Wicker. Alright.
They call it training wrist.
So how long it take you to make one of them?
Well, you know, if you have material on the spot, you can do the one like this for you, I think I'll say even a day or, you know, frame it, start and frame it and plait it, you know. I take the time for plait, you know.
Yeah.
And frame it.
Okay. So, you said things slope. Is it because of the pandemic?
It looks like your missus.
Oh, okay. Anything I pick up for you now?
No one then, sir. No one thing.
So how people can...
Some people come here from town in the last year to interview me to put me over TV.
Yeah.
All the foreign the people say, all the foreign when mom say they see me over there and I go there right.
In Angola? People go check out that.
So they call it.
Okay.
On TV you see craft work, them and my man.
So tell me...
No one them something. People still remember me, the customers them, you know. There are certain things this basket to buy and something you come take me see.
So how people can support you if they want basket?
Just location as commercial location as same way.
Yeah. What's your number for them call?
Same number you call.
Alright, we put it up.
Same number you call.
So Glenville, I see some old time poster. I can go in?
Yes man, I mean.
Tell me a little bit about them poster here. You collect them? See Bob?
They carry them sometimes. More time they don't carry the place them from top man.
Okay.
Top parts and something more time they carry them.
And they made some long time paper man.
Yeah.
Wow. History.
Yes, they carry them.
Preserve here.
Like you then never know certain people and certain man come out and never know certain man and you don't carry them or something.
Yeah. So you educate your youth them about it.
Or this man names or this man names. Same picture here.
Yeah.
Names.
So you bring your children in our trade?
You learn this about you know them, you know use it nowadays and hard. Them can't do it in about and for them thing that.
So you should have one year off of
You will them know for it.
But they not like it like you. Okay.
Yeah, different baskets. Why you use a different style for?
Well, ladies like them different. Like all them I want to know, you have 3 ones with them on they sell. Them put fruit in them. These ones them do them for gift. Yeah. You know?
Gift basket.
You can carry a little food in them and cover it, see your private tip and everything. You know
So what the one you for?
Flowers.
Flowers.
Someone to the beat that one here.
You can make flowers pots today.
This is a flowers for on.
You can put in things like
Okay. So you have no particular name for them? Or just basket you call them?
Basket, but like I call it tree tray.
Tree tray.
Yeah, fruit basket. And then when you can go hang basket, they call them, hang basket, they can put the thing in.
So Glenville, what inspire you other than your picking name currently?
Like the trade.
Mm-hmm.
I just love it.
You can't live without it though.
No, I just love it. Believe me. I'm not for people in problem
Yeah.
with people sometimes. I'm just stick to it. And I'll tell you, I think things are on the right way, you know.
Yeah.
One more time, one time, you come here, 2 bus go, 3 bus white people park up. Full up the yard, full up the yard.
Yeah.
Yes.
That's great, man.
People, I think, whole party may happen to me, you know, all the time, you know.
Mm-hmm.
You know, last time I know what I'm born now. Whole party killer. Come here, some whole party link of foreign people.
Which house they born on this?
Yes, I'm not try and build up the back again.
Yeah.
Born right, I mean, born up whole party people to get born up with share and something, born up.
Well, some project where they
Yeah,
work
all
on.
the people, you know, some share from mobile and a bit, some people with a dozen share, born up in time there. I think it's not going for me, no, man, I tell you, you know.
Mm-hmm.
People from Africa, journalists come from Africa, you know. Europe, you know, two of them, you know, white man and black man, you know.
Mm-hmm.
See, when they call me, I just say, between well, I just say, born up, then I come back and I can't link them, because the trade the middle, say, it's a good trade.
Yeah.
Journalism, some white people and some black man. Sit down in a place and read with me, interview me and everything and take the particular again. So, I just suggest, I never like Europe. For me, a youth ago, I never like Europe.
Mm-hmm. Why?
You know, like a white man-ness. We are black people, like a white man-ness, and I never really too like the Europe thing. But they say me to go Africa. And with them intention now, it take me away. Come over and teach them in school. And let them answer to me journalists then. You know?
Yeah.
Teach them in Africa and Europe. But I just say me to go Africa. Because I suggest to you, big people, them and kind of, they say, come on, a good experience, because you get more book to study, more style and work for something too.
Yeah.
Really. But then, through that happened to me, I didn't know they could leave me back. I say, I can't get no link again, because I wouldn't sit there and party to it. And I come back and you make a bunch of me.
So you have more stuff. You have cheer. What else in it?
Share inside the stuff.
Yeah, okay.
So you can share.
Oh, so you can make more than basket. You can make basically anything.
Anything I make.
One but.
3-seater chair, same way with the 2 small ones beside it.
Mm-hmm.
Center table, same way, whatnot. Everything we build out of it, man.
Oh boy.
Everything.
Well, we hope some more blessings come from your business because you're talented like that.
Yes, man.
So there's no way that you can go to Africa still?
Well, I don't know. Well, I've said by people and will come to me and check me back again, you know. And I say them are doing certain things, but them will get no contact for me time like that. You know, people don't appreciate no man. All type of people come check me more time. Russian people, you know, that spend money with them, I tell you. 2 things smoke and all that, I tell you.
Yeah, I understand. So I see some of them artists here, Toots. What's some of your favorite song?
Huh?
So some of your favorite reggae song them?
Great song, man. Well, me listen man like all Halton, Delroy and them man there. You know? Gregory that kind of man, a long time man coming up. Most of the youth them where I sing song now, some of them. You listen to them, but me not trying to take them music there.
You can't take the new music?
No, some new music. Too much violence in some of the music then.
Oh.
You see me try some of the youth, and then I broke out the youth them too, we can't understand. Too much violent music. The younger youth them I sing some violent music. You know me I say too.
Yeah.
When you listen to music sometimes you say, what kind of lyrics them in the song? What them song there? And the youth them I listen. You know? So you can't take the violence song then. I like songs I sing, you know, feeling and decent version of them. You understand me I talk about that?
So any new artist you rate right now?
Like a Chronix.
Like, no artist. You say I want to do it, we are going good. What do you call them again? Progress?
Protege?
Protege?
Protege. I'm Progress. Progress and call him?
You know him?
Protege, I want nice artist.
Yeah.
This song, more clean, song and clean.
Yeah.
But I tell you.
Me that listened to Toots the other day. It's You. And the song 54.
Toots.
96, that's my number.
In Japan too, you know.
Yeah, remember in Japan. It was a sad time, man.
Yeah, my family in family too, you know.
Yeah?
I'm fit in the auntie.
Oh,
Clarendon come from, you know.
yeah.
A place called Shedlight.
Small
So
world.
my auntie about 2 picnic with my uncle. A 2 picnic with my auntie.
You ever gone on them concert? You ever gone a reggae concert?
One time, like once. But a long time now. You do me something hard like that, again.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And what you think about Bob Marley?
My great man, them started something, man.
Yeah.
But the man they started thing, you say, you know.
Yeah.
Peter touch on them man there.
Peter.
And the man they started thing. Two of them want to tell me.
Some of the greatest artists that man.
Yeah,
Love them.
Bonnie Wheeler, the same man who passed over there.
Yeah.
Great man.
Yeah. Alright, so I appreciate it. Any words for the youth them?
Like?
Any inspiration word, any advice for the youth them?
Well, I want them to tell them all the faith in and all the faith and top killing one another. I'm going to tell them because every day you get up directly, black man killing one another every day.
Yeah.
Little or not. Some fool and kill the woman them. Stop killing the woman them and then produce me. You know what I mean?
True.
Well, the lady who did the client with them, I don't like all that music me here. The woman and big bill and 24-year-old girl. You know live no life at me out. 24-year-old I say. And the man cut off his shoe to the big old belly. They make somebody eat that something, so they make something more to stop. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
But if you use that top kill like one another, man. I'm with that, that's it.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
But
All the faith to try to look at things. We could talk about things again like one time, no, man.
Yeah.
You know, like, talk about things, man. You cannot talk about nothing. You step on a man's shoe, step on your shoes and before me say necessary. That can help, you know?
Yeah.
You never take my life with a simple step on your shoe. You see me attack one boy simply, talking me attack. Man, I tell you, it can't work, man.
So you think new time Jamaica gone down the drain? Because old time Jamaica did more peaceful.
Yes,
and
man.
we used to talk and look out for each other.
You see me attack about?
Yeah.
And if you go down, we can talk about things. And we now come to normal again. You can't talk about it again.
Yeah.
You get back there, I take a man and take your life.
True.
You understand how you see changes? That's not good enough for you at all.
Yeah. Not for a little island or love.
Yes, man, that's good enough. Everybody loves this agriculture country.
Yeah, for true.
I tell you.
So thank you so much, Glenville. Bless up for that. Bless up for the interview. We're going to cheer them.
So, remember them chair, we just stop them from them.
Yeah.
So we got them back there, and when them done and fall, if you see them, my friend, they would want them too. They would want them too.
You look good, man.
Yes. So when them done and fall, that's the thing will wrap out.
Yeah.
When them done and fall, this is something to look for. I'm going to tell you.
You have more stuff in there, sir?
Go like this, go like this, you see brown material, not them use.
Yeah. That's to use. So we can't see a mix up. You don't have no time for that, though.
No, something going on anything like that. And if some material to come in, that's why I see them after them to come and do it.
Oh, yeah, wait for material.
Some material to come in for me.
Okay.
Start with it.
Where you get your material?
Alright, so it look good. So
I care about folk, I'm telling you, no.
that here last long, 20 years?
When I cross these and broke, some fat to my son, but I'm broke. So then I'm saying, I have to make two new ones, so two new ones to make same.